Hey guys, today we are going to be doing the bird find challenge. So we are at our public library. We are going to do this. So there's birds hidden around everywhere in the library. And our job is to find every single one of the birds around the room.
Cool.
Okay, let's get started. First, we need to find the Carolina wren. Well, actually I found, is that the woodpecker?
Looks like a woodpecker.
Don't forget, you have it on the back too. Look at the birds on the back. Yep.
Oh, there it is. It's the downy one.
Let's turn it over. Let's see what we got. Some on the back?
Yeah. That's cool. Ooh,
Which one is it?
this one.
What's it called, man?
Downy woodpecker.
All right, check it
The
out.
downy woodpecker. Let's check him off. Cool.
Right.
He was
Okay,
pretty
let's
easy
go
to
the
find.
next one.
Oh, I see one over there.
Ooh, you're going to that one? Jaslyn found one.
Oh, here it is. It's called the Junico.
The what?
Junico.
Junco?
Junco?
Junco.
I'm not sure.
Junco.
Oh, I found two right there.
Yeah, Jaslyn's got them.
Dad, did you find one over here?
There's one right here.
She found the cardinal.
I found this one. Chickadee.
Chickadee. Chickadee dee 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 dee.
Cool.
And we also found the red jay.
We're familiar with
A
that.
red
bird,
jay.
What's it
What
called?
the
You know what
hell?
that one is, right?
That's
Back
a-
That was Virginia's
what, male
state bird.
cardinal?
Yeah.
Cardinal.
Cool, the red bird. No cardinal. From Virginia, right?
Oh, there's another one. That's the one.
Oh, he's pretty.
Oh, that's cool. They have like a little Lego head.
All
What
right.
do you got? You got him, Blue Jay?
Ooh, look. Who is that? Is that Stan, the Lego guy?
I'm not sure.
Looking for the birds.
Is that Dad's alarm?
Yeah.
No, I really can't find
See any more on this side? See any more birds? Dad, you guys see any more birds anywhere?
I have
You've seen more?
here.
All right, let's go. Put some pep in your step, girlfriend. Can we look over here?
There's one in the back door.
That's for the other big one.
I don't think there's one here.
You know what? What
There's
about
one over
on the
there. I
books?
see one over there.
Do you see how they have them on the
other
books
side?
right there? Like sparrows and...
One over here. See one?
Ooh, Jazzy found one. Is that the female
One right
cardinal?
here.
That's
Who's
the
that?
female cardinal.
Which one is that?
Let's see.
Female cardinal. So that's the female, the woman cardinal from the red cardinal. Oh, what's that?
A raven?
I think
crow?
it's a crow. Yeah, it's a
A
crow.
crow.
What do you say? Crow? Yep.
I found one.
Jazzy got one? Maddie, come over here.
This one.
Found one? Oh, cool. What is that one? It's a yellow bird, huh? What do you think it is?
Oh, a yellow one.
Which one do you think
I
that
found
is?
it. Gold.
Goldfinch.
Goldfinch. Did you say goldfinch, Jazzy?
Goldfinch.
Yeah,
It's like
good
you're saying
job.
goldfish. Oh, I found one.
Show everybody, Matt, you want to show everybody your board to show what it says on the board and what it looks like?
There's a backside.
So that is the goldfinch. Cool. All right, what's the next one?
About the red one.
Oh, another
Oh, we
cardinal.
already got that.
Yeah, we're tricking you. Okay, what's that?
Carolina wren.
What is it?
It's a Carolina wren.
A Carolina wren.
Yeah.
Go ahead, check it out. So we're looking for the what?
Painted woodpecker.
Bleated
Then
woodpecker.
after words, we need a.
Is that it? That's the last one?
Yeah. Then we need to circle our favorite bird.
Okay. Bleated woodpecker. Can you guys spot the bleated woodpecker? See, they have a bunch of bird books back here. All right, bleated woodpecker.
Do you think like they have it like on the side?
I don't know. Let's go. Oh, I think I found it, Maddie.
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun. Is that it? Or is that a different woodpecker? That's him?
Woohoo!
Got
Check search. Okay, now I need to circle my favorite bird.
Which one's your favorite?
I think the blue jay. Well, yeah, I'm gonna have to go with the blue jay.
Alright. Ready to turn into a librarian?
Yep.
See what happens. Thanks for watching and helping us with our search, guys. Have a good one.